Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making jollof rice on a large scale, and on a large scale means something for like a party, an event, an order, or any other thing that involves feeding a lot of people. Ingredients we are going to use today are rice, onions, pepper, chicken stock, sachet tomato paste, natural seasonings and spices, salt to taste, and some other ingredients used in preparing jollof, which I've already stated in some of my previous videos. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to make our stew. So we pour some oil into our frying pan, which we'll use for the cooking. This is the frying pan that we use here in Ghana for large orders as what we are about to prepare today. So after pouring the oil into it and then letting it simmer for about 5 minutes, we add in our already blended green pepper and onions and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After cooking and the water drains from it, we add in our sachet tomato paste, mix it, add in some water, and then add in our chicken stock as well. Then we stir everything together. Then we allow it to cook for about 15 minutes as it boils, and then the water in it reduces to form the stew, which we will use as our base for the jollof rice. After obtaining that, we will add in a little bit of water and let that boil as well. That will boil for a few minutes, then we introduce into it our rice, give it a stir, and then allow it to cook for 20 minutes. When it's about 15 minutes in the cooking process, we are going to stir it and then allow it to continue cooking. After 20 minutes of cooking, we'll stir it again and then cover it with some rubber or a clean napkin. Then we place kind of a pan-like cover on it to let it steam in its juices and then cook as beautiful as possible so that none of them will have any form of uncooked rice mixed with the already cooked ones. We want everything to be as perfect as possible since we are going to use it to serve outsiders and not we the ones that are cooking it that are going to enjoy it. It's basically for an event. After 10 to 15 minutes of covering it once again, our jollof rice is done. So this is how it looks like after it has been cooked. Very nice, delicious, and super soft as we want it to be, not soggy. So at this point, we are going to scoop it into our bowls that we'll be using for the delivery, or our packs that we are using for the delivery. And this is how it looks like. We'll add onto it our fried chicken and our green sauce, which I already have a recipe to on the channel you can check out. And this is the final look for delivery. So this is how to get your jollof rice as good as possible for an order. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post and notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, and we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.